For example 2, you want to graph the points here and find out if they are solutions to the system or not. So for example 3, 1, I would graph, here's 3, 1, and it's in the white space. So that is no, it's not a solution. We have negative 1, positive 5. That is yes, because it's in the shaded area. Then we have 2, 4. Okay, that is also in the shaded area. Negative 3, positive 1. Now, that's on a solid line. If it is on a solid line, then it is yes, as long as it's around where the shaded area is. If it is like way down here, it would not be a solution to the system. Alright, E, negative 5, 4. So yes, nope, sorry, it says negative 4, so down. So that is no, it's in the white space. 4, negative 3, no. Negative 4, negative 1, no. And negative 9, positive 8. So yes, it's in the shaded area. Okay, and the second example, again, same thing, graph the points. So 3, negative 2, that's no, it's in the white space. Negative 1, negative 5, yes, it's in the shaded area. 2, 4, no. Negative 4, 4. No. If it is on a dashed line anywhere, it's always no. Solid line, only in the shaded areas, yes. Out in the white space, no. Okay, negative 5, 3. Yes. 4, 3. No. 0, negative 2. Yes. And negative 2, positive 5. Yes. Or sorry, no. It's in the white space. Alright, in the bottom part, we have to determine which set of inequalities goes with this picture. And so, first and foremost, you know you have a solid and a dashed line. So we know we're going to have one without the equal to and one with the equal to. So if I look through here, I know it won't be B because there's 2 dashed. But here there's one of each. Okay. Secondly, if I look at this one, I start at positive 4. And I want to know, how do I get here? So 1, 2, 3, down 3, right 3. And that's negative 1. And we know we started at positive 4. So negative 1x plus 4. Okay, so it could be either of these. Okay, that line is solid. And it had to have shaded below. So it's less than or equal to. Okay, so again, that could be C or D. Okay, so the dash just starts at negative 2. And to get to here, I go up 3, 3. So 3 over 3 is 1 plus, minus 2. Alright, now this is shaded above, which is greater. It's dashed, so I don't need the little line there. Okay, so y is greater than 1x minus 2. So if I look at these two equations down here, it has to be D, because the slope of this line is going up 1, right 1, which is positive 1. Here they have it as a negative 1. So definitely a letter D. Okay, lastly, again, we have that dashed and solid relationship here. So I can mark out B because these are both going to be solid. I can mark out D because they'll both be dashed. So over here, we can start with this one. I'm going to end at 4. That's where I start with there. And then to get to here, which we need to pick a different point because that's not a good point. So we could go to here. We go up 1 over 1, which is 1x. Okay. For the second one, we're going to cross that negative 1. And our slope would be down 1, right 1. So that's negative 1 over 1, which is negative 1. Alright, so just by looking at that information, I could pick my answer to be A, because this is a positive. Let's see. This is a positive 1x, and this is negative, so it has to be A. We went positive 1 by going up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. And then we started from the 4. So it has to be A.